So in this video, we will learn to manage Azure resources using Azure CLI. So our objective of this lab is to start a bash session in Azure Cloud Shell, then create a resource group and Azure manage this using the CLI, and configure and manage the disk using the CLI. So first, we will go to the Azure portal and select Azure Cloud Shell, select bash, switch to bash and confirm. Let me make it full screen so you can have better view. As you can see, this is my username. Now our first task is to create a resource group and Azure manage this using the Azure CLI. So it will copy our previously created resource group 3CRG1. We will create a new resource group which will be 3DRG1. So full name will be AZ104 3DRG1. So let's copy this code and paste it on the bash. Enter. As you can see, resource group has been created as ECS location. Let's verify by retrieving the properties. It will return the same result. Azure resource group AZ1043DRG1 has been created at ECS location. Now let's create a new managed disk with the same characteristic which we created in the previous lab. So let's copy that and paste the details. So this will be created in the resource group AZ10403D and the disk name will be this one. As you can see, this is a disk property in the HTS location and 32 GB size. The retrieve property will also result the same output. Now our next task is to configure the managed disk using the Azure CLI. So let's increase the size of the Azure managed disk to 64 GB from 32 GB. So let's type this command that will change disk size to 64 GB. As you can see, disk size has been changed to 64 GB. Now let's verify these changes. This command is not necessary because it is result the same output, 64 GB. Now let's say we want to this performance SKU to premium LRS from standard LRS. So let's copy this command. So this will change the SKU to premium LRS. As you can see, it has been changed successfully. Let's verify. Yes, it has been changed to premium LRS. Once you're done with this lab, go to your resource group, select resource group name, and there is only one disk, so we will delete this one. So our resource group will be there.